Yep, so I smell deodorant on her. So I'm gonna add sticks just so I can get more. I get about 500 for $6 in a box. I buy 4 of those boxes. They last me about 4 months. I don't really, just depends on how I'm waxing. So I'm just gonna take a small amount. I haven't had wax on my skin in a while. And this is to do a temperature check. So remember I said this is a soft hard wax? Mm-hmm. It went on just like soft wax. A lot of hard waxes don't go on this. This is like a quarter size for waxing with hard wax because we want a thick consistency. We don't want a runny consistency with hard wax because if your hard wax is runny, it's going to burn your client. If it's too cold, it won't adhere. This is not going anywhere. I could lift her skin. I can hickey her skin. Because just because it's hard wax doesn't mean those adverse reactions go out the way. They're just maybe not as likely to happen. They're not formulated to happen as often, but that way. And I'm just trying to make thinner pieces of wax thicker. Hard wax doesn't leave that much sticky residue. But it's very annoying.